Free Spirit Relaxation Meditation Exercise. Basic meditation practice. You can do meditation exercises in a place that you feel comfortable. Can be in bed, can be on the floor, can be anywhere you feel comfortable.
A place of meditation doesn't need to be a quiet place, but a place where you usually do activities. After you get a comfortable place, then start your practice of basic meditation. Sit cross-legged. Relax the whole body. Hands can be placed on your knees, or in front of you, depending on how you feel, but the whole body is in a state of relaxation. Focus on 1 point, 1 meter in front of you on the floor. Take a point, don't imagine. If the eyelid feels heavy, or the eye blinks, or feels sore, let the eye close by itself. Eyes close slowly. Control the position of the body so that the head and back are straight, all the muscles of the body are relaxed. Adjust the sitting position to be comfortable. After that, don't move anymore. Focus on the nose, feel the breath in and out through the nose. Don't regulate breathing, let it breathe naturally. The eyes remain in the middle, the eyes do not glance at the nose. Attention only feels the breath in and out through the nose. Keep your head and back straight. Attention only feels the breath in and through the nose. All the muscles of the body are in a relaxed state. The muscles of the shoulders, face and eyes are relaxed. Feel the force from the outside enter through the nose with the breath in and out through the soles of the feet. If you feel it, if you don't feel like it, leave it as it is. Attention only feels the process. Forces from outside enter through the nose, out through the soles of the feet. Do this several times. Focus on the nose again. Feel the breath in and out through the nose. Feel the serenity and happiness in your body. Feel the whole body energized as usual again. Realize you are in this room. After the whole body is in normal condition again, open your eyes slowly and sit as usual. If you want to work, work. This is basic meditation, which you can do twice a day. In doing this meditation, the important thing is, when you sit down, keep your head and back straight, and don't move. If at that time a lot of saliva came out, just swallow. If you feel itchy, fixed concentration on the nose, itching goes away on its own. If at that time you feel like coughing, focus your attention on the cough reflex until you are able to prevent coughing from coming out. You feel back pain. Attention to breathing is maintained. Breath in and out. And don't be in pain. Therefore, you will stimulate the body to release endorphins if you meditate. Then feel the tingling legs. That means you rarely walk. Rarely move. To avoid this. So besides meditation, you need exercise. Brisk walking,